Hi there, I'm Michelle Clark and I'm the Chief Partnerships Officer for Genius U, and I'd love to welcome you to the 4 Keys Micro Degree. Now, as a coach or trainer, I know that your biggest challenge right now is the amount of different platforms that you have to use to run your business from. Right now, you're using maybe Amazon or your own website to have your product for sale. You're probably using Eventbrite or something like that to list your events on. You're probably using Udemy to put your online content. And to manage your communities and stay connected, you're probably using Facebook or LinkedIn. Now, these are all great platforms, but they're all in different places. They're not connected to each other. And you have no way, when you use these platforms, of gathering intelligent customer data. Well, all that's changed now with the 4 keys. Here on Genius U, we've changed all of that for you and we've solved that problem. So now on Genius U, you can use the entire platform as a one-stop shop for any coach and trainer for all of your clients. You can list your products on Genius U. You can have all of your events on Genius U. In our event section, you can put all of your online content in the micro degree section, and you can have all of your communities in circles on Genius U. But best of all, as well as having one platform where all of these things are now stored, you have got access to all the intelligent customer data that's going to allow you to actually use this to drive your business forward and generate at least an additional 30% revenue in this next 12 months. The way you're going to be able to track and analyze all of this information is, as well as having all the access onto Genius U, you also have been given your own unique Salesforce partner login. This is an amazing platform and portal. We've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars creating Salesforce in a way and customizing it in a way that's really beneficial for Genius U, for our top partners, Entrepreneurs Institute and Entrepreneur Resorts, and for you now as one of our mentors doing the 4 Key program. This means that you can go into Salesforce at any time. You can see exactly the sales that you've made. You can see exactly how many people have joined your circle. You can see exactly how many people have registered for your event and who they are. And you can tell information about those customers, what level they are on the wealth spectrum, what their Wealth Dynamics profile type is. And you're going to see the people who are engaging with you the most frequently and allowing you to make really intelligent decisions about the right time and the right place for you to be running your promotions. So let's talk about the 4 keys to your mentoring success, this micro degree, and what you're going to get out of studying this micro degree over the next 4 weeks. We've broken it down into 4 different sections, which are the 4 keys to your mentoring success. Key number 1, digital sales and marketing. This section is all about how do you drive traffic to your products and services and all of the content that you have on Genius U. So right now, if you were to look for a product for sale on the internet, it's very likely that Amazon's going to show up as the #1 place for you to find that product. What's going to happen is, if you're an entrepreneur and you're looking for a product or a service or an event or somewhere that you're going to learn about entrepreneurship, in the next 12 months, it's very likely that Genius U is going to show up as the #1 place for you to find that as well. So by you putting all of your content here on Genius U, we're going to show you how you put that on there and how you do it in a way that it's really trackable, really searchable, and how do you build the right funnels and create the right content that make people want to find your stuff, come back and engage with you on a more frequent basis. The second key is community building. How do you actually grow a really effective sized community so that you've got people who are already engaging with you and already interested in purchasing your programs and products? You know, for every one customer you want to have at least 100 people in your community. So we're going to show you how you actually build that community, how you engage with them on a regular basis, how do you connect with them, how do you actually make sure that you're delivering value on a continuous basis, and if indeed they decide to leave, how do you help them to exit really gracefully as well? Key number 3, partner management. Now, most entrepreneurs get as far as key 1 and key 2, which is setting up their products, setting up their services and events, and probably starting to connect with a community. Very few get as far as key 4, which is partner management. So this now means that you can run promotions where you can have your own partners, your own affiliates promoting your products and services through Genius U, all with their own unique tracking codes, all with their own ability to track and measure the payments that they're being made, and everything getting paid by Genius U. So we'll pay the affiliates for you, we'll help you track and measure that data, we'll pay you directly as well. And you can see all that through your Salesforce Partner Center. Key number 4 then, really exciting, is the payment automation, which is the Salesforce Partner Center. This is how you're going to be able to track all the KPIs, track everything that's happening through Genius U, and just see how successful your business is being. And you can compare yourself to your peers as well. And this is going to help you to make some really intelligent decisions about what you should be doing and when. Now, for some of the geniuses amongst you, you may have noticed there's a bit of a thread between the 4 keys. And you're right. Key number 1, digital sales and marketing, is dynamo. It's all about getting things started, all about getting things off the ground and creating that really cool marketing platform. Community building, it's all about taking care of, nurturing, connecting. It's on the belay side. Partner management, really now starting to ground things in, really starting to move into that tempo where we're taking care of partners and finding other ways that we can connect in with our clients as well. And then finally, payment automation, which is all the data, all the analysis on the steel side. So very cleverly from dynamo, blaze, tempo through steel, which is the 4 keys. So that's the 4 keys. We're going to take you through that. You've got a week for each key. So sit back, get yourself ready, and let's move on to key number 1.